Hello everyone, hello, welcome to today's tutorial. Well, today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually fix a zipper. And the reason I'm doing this is because there is a young lady who requested for me to actually show her how to fix a long or regular zipper. So this is a long regular zipper. The zipper I'm going to be using, let me show you guys. The short zipper. Okay, this is the one. This is one I'm going to be using. This is about 54 cm. That's what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to attach zipper from the top to a bit to the bottom, to the skirt, so that when she open it, then she will be able to wear the dress in anywhere, anyhow she really wants to wear the dress, maybe from the down up or from the up down. So that is why I'm using this long zipper. As you guys can see, it's really very long, so it is so up to here. So of course you need sewing machine to actually make your dress or your zipper. Well, I'm going to use the zipper. I'm going to use this zipper foot. So the zipper foot, I can turn my needle to this side or turn my needle to this side. So it is very handy to use it. I'm using this zipper foot because I'm sewing a regular zipper. As you guys can see, it is not invisible zipper. It's not, so it is really very regular zipper. And so I am going to add something, because when you look at it, it's a bit too short. I don't know what happened, but this is also maybe the style of this zipper, because I have a lot of bunch of zipper at home, so she just choose this out. So I'm going to attach something here later. I will show you guys when I'm done with the zipper. But now we're going to sew it together. So let me just show you the easiest way to actually do this. So this is what I'm going to use. And for if actually you are the first, you are just watching this video for the first time, I have a video on how to actually create a circle skirt or A-line skirt. As you can see, this is a very long dress. This is a massive dress, as you can see. So I've already drafted out this the A-line skirt. You can use circle skirt actually attached to your top. Also a pocket. The dress is going to have a pocket, as you can see. And there is also a video on how to do that. And so this young lady loves having a pocket in her dress. So I'm adding pocket. So that's how it is. So now let me just show you the easiest way to do it. So as you can see, I sew both of the dresses together, the panel. Sorry, both of the panel. So the easiest thing for you to do is, after sewing, I actually sew here the top where the zipper will be, and then I sew it in a very wide, the widest stitch in my sewing machine. I used to sew it. If you can see, I don't know if you can see, because the color of the thread is just blend into the fabric. And so you can, if you can see, that I use the widest stitch to sew it. So the first thing you do first is to mark it. Actually, you add extra centimeter or inches that you really wanted to sew. For instance, I have now mine is about 1.5 inches. So 1.5 inches is about 4.5 cm. So you mark it. As you can see, I have a chalk marking here, and then with that chalk marking is what you're going to sew. You sew it the widest stitch of in your machine, and then from where the zipper stop is, here is the zipper stop. And then when you are sewing it, you do not backstitch. You just leave it like that, so that it will be easy for you to remove when you are removing the thread. And so from where the zipper stops to all the way, I sew with regular stitch all the way to the bottom. Then after that, I get it pressed. You can see it's very pressed and flat. And of course, the joining of the top and the bottom is also quite pressed. So this dress, we are not using lining, and so that is why you can see all the stitches, all the overlocking work that I did. But however, it's okay, it's very good, it's beautiful, because it made the work look very neat. So now that we have done that, so when you want to fix a zipper, you just close it up, and then you press the, you can see, even with the zipper head, you can see, you can just see this is actually the back of it, why this is the middle of it. So I'm going to cut this off as well. So let me just show you guys first. So now what you do is that the front of, or the front side of the zipper is what you're going to go to attach here. So here is actually like when you sew it together. Okay, now you can see the fastening side of the fabric, and so the fastening side of the zipper. So you just put it together from the head, just like that. Make sure the zipper is just in the middle, just in your middle stitch. All right, just in your middle stitch. And then what you do, you just pin them together, pin it together, pin it together. Well, it is actually beginner friendly, because you can also use a kind of tape. If you look at my video previously, you will see that I have also kind of fusible that you can actually use to attach your zipper. But in this case now, I'm just doing it like this for those who doesn't have that fusible. Okay, so just make sure it is right in the middle, just right in the middle, right. Just right in the middle. Okay, so it depends, there are different ways of attaching the zipper. Actually, you can actually do it like this. You just sew here actually, and so on and so forth. But I am not doing that because I'm not using an invisible zipper, and also I am not lining it. So I'm just going to stitch it to the fabric itself, and then it will look as well very neat. And so at the end of the where I stop, you will see. So you make sure that all your work is pressed open, otherwise it will not look really very good. So you make sure everything is pressed open here and here, as you can see. There. I decided to put enough allowance on it, because I don't really want her to come and at the end she has no space, because it can happen that you are away, because she's really away, she's away for some time. So maybe when she come back, she the dress I made for her right now cannot fit her anymore. It's possible, because a friend of mine was telling me last week, she said she traveled home to see her family, and then she visited some friends. Oh, it was so nice. Her friends took care of her actually. And she said, I asked someone to make a dress for me. So at the end of the day, when she wanted to come back home, the dressmaker actually made a dress and brought it for her. And then she said, I could not wear the dress anymore. I put on extra weight because she was yeah, she's on vacation. You know, when you're on vacation, those things happen. And so she said, I told her, I said, what do you do? Oh, I just go out to leave it. I will bring it back home and then I will lose some weight and I will fit on the dress again. I said, okay. I told her, I said, good luck with that. So yeah, she will do that. She will do it. We're gonna take her a bit long time to actually get that, but she will be fine. So I'm not worried about that. So you can see this is to the top. So what we're going to do now, we're going to actually stitch it from all the way to the bottom here, and we'll cross and come back. Alright, so that is how we're going to do it. So that is how we're going to do it. And I think I will start from somewhere here. Let me just see. So I have to see as well where I stop. Okay, the invisible, the first right here. Okay. So another thing that you will bear in mind also when you actually facing your zipper, if your zipper is too long, so you can adjust it. You can adjust it. Let me just show you guys. So you can adjust it. You can adjust it in the sense that then from here what you do, it's not straight, let me just straighten it. So what you do is that when you are fixing your zipper and then at the end you think that is too long, so all what you need to do is actually to reduce it from the top. Like now we are fixing this. If it's too long, then you just cut it off. Doesn't matter, you cut it off after you finish sewing, because when you do not do that, you might have problem, you know. So after you sew to the end of it, and then you cut it off from there. You make sure you do some fastening up. You can do that from the top or you do that from the bottom, so it's up to you. But I would actually prefer to actually cut it off from the top. So there, because when you cut it out there, you're going to add your facing and things like that. So it will be easier that way for you to do it. Because when you do that, nobody will say it, nobody will know that it was, you know, it was cut, something like that. So it depends actually on your preference. If you prefer, you can also just do it at the bottom. That's if that is what you want. Okay, so but I'm just telling you what I prefer to do. The fact that I will then attach the top to the facing, then I will do that. Okay, so that is that actually. So I did it because it was not straight. So as I think you can see. So now when you are sewing, you have to be very careful for the zipper here. Zipper stop. So now we'll go to our sewing machine now and sew it. So you see it looks so nice. The zipper is in the middle of it. So we'll go to the sewing machine. So I'm going to sew it. I will be right back. Alright guys, I am back now. So I have sewn this, so that you can see the zipper is fixed. You can see. So what I'm going to do now is to remove that stitches that we did earlier. So you can remove, you just take your sewing paper. What you do, just to hold it like this, just remove the stitches. That's what you do. So you see, let me just show you. As soon as you can use hand to do, you can just do like this. You have to be careful. If you have very sharp seam ripper, you can destroy your garment. So what you do, you just use one to open it. So it will be easy anyway, because when you sew it with your widest stitch, then it will be easy just to lose it out like that. You can see, hope you guys can see. You don't use one to open it, then it's already going. So just open it all the way, so we are getting there. You see, so you have to be careful this time what you are doing, otherwise you're going to destroy your dress. Okay. Okay. Alright. We are almost there. So this is the reason why you do that. Okay. Right. So that is it. So I guess this is the end of the stitch. Okay. So let us open the zipper now. Let's see. Okay. So you can see this is the waist area. You can see the journey. So it passed through the waist. So it will be more comfortable when you wear the dress like that. Unlike when the zipper is so short this way, then it will be it will not be easy to wear to put on the dress. But now it has passed the waistline, then it's easy to put the dress on from the down up or from up down, and it can pass through your shoulder. You see, so it is very nice and you see, so it's beautiful. What you need to do now is to remove the excess thread, and then you are good to go. So I will do that off the camera, because now I have done the most important thing is to fix the zipper. You can see how easy it is just to fix the zipper. So, and the way I fix this now, you can see close up. You see? So that's it. And so what you can do in order for you to able to remove your markings, all you can do is you can use wet napkin. You just wipe it off. See? You just wipe it off and off you go. So you see. So after that you press everything cross. So it's really good. So I love it like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And so if you think it's helpful to you, you can give me a thumbs up. You can share your video to your friends and family, just to show you how easy that you can fix your zipper. Alright, so I could say, for me, this is the end of this video. Have a very good day wherever you may be. So I'll see you in the next video. Alright then, bye.